like and sub.
Happy 4th. Happy 4th.
Happy 4th of July.
Of July. Yes. We're gonna leave.
Happy 4th of July.
Let's go attack the world and see what it's about. Look around me. Look around me, huh? Yeah, bro. My fucking shoulder is hurting too.
That shoulder sucks.
Yeah, it's from that goddamn boxing and working out. Straight grind. It's really from that grinding, dog. You know, they can't stop us, man. We ain't grinding, but you know.
Trying to get this money.
Got to, man. What is it? 350?
370, bro.
Oh, 370. My bad, bro.
Ben's cooking skills. Too.
Oh, need to just go to the nice scenery.
Right here.
Yes, sir.
This is my house,
brother.
by the way, guys.
Nice little room, man.
We still got them all.
Nice little room. On a worth. Oh yeah, that was a great game. Bucks for this fridge at Walmart, guys. 200 bucks for this fridge at Walmart.
I'm gonna build a mini house.
Mini house.
Nah, show that.
Yes, sir. Putting them games in, man. Oh, here, man. We gotta get right out here. Let's go. No smoke, no smoke. You niggas don't want it. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, right there. To the pool we go. To the pool we go. Well, got the pool out here, man. Oh, it's nice out here, man.
Why didn't you give me time to prepare?
What a short is that? Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Look at the pool. Happy 4th. Happy 4th. Oh. What was that?
I lived in here for a couple years.
Lived in here for a couple of years, huh?
Dope, man. And then,
What were you saying?
so my family used to own this right here. This was the guest house.
Oh, this is the guest house. Okay.
Yeah, this was the guest house. We had the.
Where I'm from, we have guest rooms.
No, this is the guest house. Yeah.
Okay. 3 feet. 3 feet. This is 3 feet here.
This side's 3 feet. That side is 10.
10 feet over here.
3 feet. 10 feet.
Dang. Stuff. Doesn't even look 10 feet, but it's 10 feet, chat. 10 feet. Like and sub.
Like and sub.
Oh yeah, there's more right here, right?
You can do it, Big Nut.
You have to be like, you gotta control your legs. You know it's hard to